Okay, today we're going to look at one of the most tricky but simple integrals, the integral of ln x. For most people, it's just a simple integral, but for some, it's simple when you look at it, but when you try to integrate now, you get the wrong answer because you have used the wrong method. Let us look at the method which you use when you want to solve the integral of ln x. We haven't yet done discussed integration on this channel, but I thought for those who already know integration, I'll just give you a reminder of how to solve ln x. You use what we call integration by parts. For those who haven't watched, who haven't studied integration, do not worry. It's not that difficult to solve integration by parts. Right. What is integration by parts? Integration by parts is when we consider our integral as two terms, u and dv. That's the thing. So we consider this integral of ln x dx as u dv. Right. So in this case, just a reminder also, integral of u dv comes out like this: uv minus the integral of v du. So we're going to do the same thing. So what's left now is to determine between ln x and dx, which one do we call u and which one do we call v. Right, so our u, in this case, we've chosen ln x, and dv is just a simple substitution. dv is dx. So from dv we find v, we already have u. Then we have now u as ln x and v as x. We go back to this one. From u we can get also du. So here we have u dv is equal to uv, which is x ln x, minus the integral of x differential of ln x, because du is equal to a differential of ln x dx. So just like this is how we have replaced ln x integral. This comma is for differential dx. Then we simplify, we get x ln x minus the integral of x. The differential of ln x is 1 over x dx. X multiplied by 1 over x. Let us finish it off on the bottom page. Right, x ln x minus, since x ln x, x over x is 1, so we're left with only dx here. So it becomes x ln x minus dx. Integral of dx is x plus the constant of integration c. So this is the integral of ln x by parts. The final answer is this one. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel.